Yo, what is up, y'all? This is going to be part one of, I don't know how long it's going to take for this video to get done, but it's going to be me fixing everything that's wrong with my G37. There's not a lot of things wrong, honestly. Hopefully, knock on wood, find some wood and knock on it. But it's not a lot going on wrong right now. But I did have something that actually happened just yesterday and something else that happened about a couple days ago. So, one, my diffuser. This is the light case for my diffuser. This is not the one that came off of mine. But as you see right here, there's no light case right there. And honestly, it does look kind of cool without it. Don't get me wrong. But because of the wiring and stuff, obviously I can't leave like that. Maybe if I do get a clear lens at some point, I would just put it on. But don't got a clear lens, only got this red one right here. So I actually do got to put this one on. And it's just going to fit up right there. It's just going to be back to being my diffuser. All right, y'all. So step one is actually complete due to some super glue from Harbor Freight. I actually got it on. Only thing I do gotta do is hold this side in, because this top corner is a little bit loose. So I'm gonna hold this in, make sure it stays in, and then it should be good to go. The glue, because the super glue kind of dries kind of fast, so I think it should be good now. I don't see it moving no more. It was flexing a little bit. It's not flexing no more. And like I said, we do got a couple things to fix. Next up is actually on the inside of the car. I'm not proud to say this, but if you look at this look kind of crazy right here. The problem with this is, and it's on both sides actually. I had to take out both sides. See right here is out. The window motor stopped working on my passenger side, rear passenger side. I looked it up. For some reason, I seen a couple people actually had the same problem only on the rear passenger side. And actually, when you look for one, you can't find one on the rear passenger side on eBay. I mean, somebody probably find it now, but I couldn't find one at the time. So had to order a new window motor. It's actually for the driver's side, but I'm going to fit it on the passenger side. Going to need some minor tweaks, to get it to fit and everything. But I'm going to get it to fit on the passenger side. That way I can have my rear windows working, because right now, don't have no rear windows to work. It's just front. So it's pretty interesting. It's pretty ghetto in here. But I'm waiting on that package to come in right now. So when that package comes from eBay, I'll put the camera back on. Until then, see you guys in the next clip. All right, y'all, we're back here. Next clip. It's about a day or two later, but that doesn't have nothing to do with fixing this problem right here. We gotta fix this right here. So as you know, I took out this side. As I told you guys, when you turn the car on, this window would just roll down when it was plugged into the original motor. And that's because the motor, it failed. I could take apart the motor and probably rewire it and stuff, but I already dealt with the headlights and stuff, and I'm done with wiring. I need a break from wiring stuff. So what I had to do was I just unplugged this one, which is from this side. I unplugged this one. I plugged into the other side, and I know it works because it works with this side. So we're gonna put this one. Let's leave this right there for now. But what I did do was go on eBay and order a new one, which I kind of don't really like actually, because it's a little scuffed up, it's dirty, got scratches. I'm pretty sure even if I could clean it, and I'm pretty sure it's still gonna have scratches and stuff. So what we're gonna do is keep my original one, which is right here. Original one looks pretty good. I keep my car looking pretty nice. I'm gonna swap this motor from this one into this one, and I'm gonna do that real quick. Y'all, I'm sitting here, and I kid you not, someone literally just pulled up to my house. I have rotors I threw out. I threw my old rotors out. You already seen that video, so I'm good to say that now. And he just came by and picked up my old rotors from my trash can and took them. I've never seen this before. Look at this guy. He's like running back to his car. I don't know about that. Y'all let me know what about that. If I'm missing something, do I not know is that a thing? Are you supposed to recycle rotors a certain way or something? I've never seen that before, so that's pretty new to me. I mean, whatever, man. He have the rotors. I mean, they pretty messed up. Somebody could probably fix them up or something, but I wasn't doing that, so I tossed them in the trash. Anyways, back to the video. All right, y'all, quick and easy process. I literally just took the old motor out of this one, put it in here. It was actually pretty dirty, so I had to clean that up a lot. I mean, this is in good condition too. I mean, who knows? Maybe I should go on eBay and sell this back and be like, hey, who needs a trim for a G? But anyways, this is kind of hard to do with one hand, y'all. One hand trying to plug this in and record all this. No cameraman today. right. I could do it though. I could finesse it. One hand recording. Come on, y'all. Multitasker of the year. Alright, so one thing I gotta do actually real quick is actually test this with this, make sure it works, because if it doesn't work, I'm pretty pissed. I can't roll my windows down. So let's put the car in. Actually, let's connect this one too real quick. Might as well connect both of them. Oh my god. I'm just gonna check the one. Alright. Ooh, this looks pretty nice. Put this in accessory mode. I mean, good start. It didn't roll down. Oh, look at that! Oh, I gotta relearn to go up, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should work. It might be able to auto go up now. Auto down. And auto back up. Yep, here we go. If you don't know, you hold your windows up 5 seconds, hold them down 5 seconds is how you reteach them to have the auto functions. Damn. All right, that works, y'all. I'm pretty happy. Now we got one more thing to fix real quick, so let's go get that done. I do have one more thing to fix, right? And this is just something that I need you guys help on, because it's something for the channel. So I'm missing stuff right now. I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys think of a new build? Or should I continue building the G? Now, when I say this, like continue building G, doing a new build, now, I already have some things in the works for the G. I have some things I already ordered and stuff. So, like, regardless, this car has to get some more things done, right? But, should I full send the G, y'all? And I mean, like, right now, depending on when this video comes out, I already done some stuff. So, you know, you're probably going to see a couple of things coming to the G. But I have some more things planned. I'm thinking, like, should I really just go out, full send it? Should I select a new budget and, like, get things done? Because, you know, a smart way to do things is you don't do this is set up like a budget for you, plan it out ahead of time so you know what you're going to be buying. This way you know how to prepare your money. I did that already. Got a couple of things I wanted to get already. So now I'm thinking, I might have to up the budget, yo. I don't know. Think a couple of things to get you guys thinking of what I'm thinking of is, like, you know, suspension, more carbon fiber. What else? I mean, I want to do something different. A lot of people don't do to the G. I actually want to finish my trunk setup. I'm debating, should I get like air or something? You know, I could go on air. It probably will wait a little bit longer because, you know, air is pretty expensive. But I can give you guys a little peek of like what my trunk looks like right now. Get my trunk open. Ugh. This looks messy, but you know, I have hard tile in this trunk already. I already cut this up and everything. So this is hard tile trunk. I mean, this is black. So, you know, thinking about that, I was going to... All right, guys, so my camera actually got full while I was recording that last bit, but that's okay. Moral of the story is what I'm saying is, should I continue building up the G, or should I just say, you know what, bump it, go full send with the G, or should I just get another build and continue to build that up? I mean, when I say new build, I'm probably thinking of a budget, maybe around like a $5,000 build budget, or at most a $10,000 build budget, one of the two. I know there's a big jump between the two, but, you know, somewhere between those two ball games, and then I probably would end up actually selling the car regardless. So who knows? Maybe somebody wants to see me build a car and actually sell it to them. Who knows? You guys let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, y'all, stay blessed. Peace.